You'll hear a lot about this, especially with acupuncturists in Chinese medicine. We address the root cause, and that is absolutely correct. Both of these systems, all the other acupuncture systems and QRA can address the root cause. So third, this is the main difference. So the third is the main difference between QRA and all other acupuncture systems. QRA, quick restorative acupuncture. That's the name. If you listen to the name, we restore function. My QRA acupuncture system has the ability to restore your organ system's function. What does that mean? That means if we restore your organ system's function, then your organs in your body can go back to healing the way that God built it to do. And so by restoring the function in your body, you're no longer dependent upon drugs, surgery, supplements, pills, and even acupuncture. You will need it because we restore the function. So that's the biggest difference. We actually restore by retraining your brain with QRA. We can retrain your brain to heal itself, right? That's something completely different and that other acupuncture systems do not do.